Now, former Cricket West Indies President Dave Cameron has told TVJ Sports that he will be seeking recommendations to run for chairman of cricket world's governing body, the ICC. But as we hear in this report, the CWI is yet to receive an official request from Cameron seeking their support. Just a week ago, reports emerged that the United States Cricket Hall of Fame wrote to current ICC chairman Shashank Manohar, indicating that they would recommend former Cricket West Indies President Dave Cameron for the top job. And on Friday, Cameron confirmed with TVJ Sports that he'll be seeking the required nominations for chairman of the International Cricket Council ICC. Cameron says he is now focused on the next step in the process of running for chairman.
It now means that I need to get the support of at least 2 boards. And then, once that nomination is done, then you'll then be able to contest the election. The dates of the elections we don't know as yet, and the process, because of course, annual conference, which should have normally been in July, has been postponed because of the pandemic.
But when asked if Cricket West Indies would be willing to support Cameron for the post, CWI Vice President Dr. Kishore Shallow had this to say.
Well, we would first have to know that the gentleman is even serious. At this point, we have no idea if he is serious or if this is just something made up in the media. So I really can't comment on it. I don't have a clue.
Dr. Shallow was also pressed as to whether CWI would benefit from having a West Indian as chairman of the ICC.
Let's see how we go, Jordan. It'd be interesting to see if a request actually comes to us for nomination. I prefer to wait and see and don't really speculate or even jump the gun in this regard.
In recommending Cameron, Executive Director of the U.S. Cricket Hall of Fame, Marlon Chambers, also said that the sport of cricket worldwide was at a standstill and that the market for cricket in the USA could experience an income of over $500 million per year with the right person at the helm. Now, Cameron and the current CWI President Ricky Skerritt have had an icy relationship, with the latter ordering a recent audit into Cameron's tenure, which was the subject of much public debate. Current ICC Chairman Manohar will step down when his term ends this year, and the ICC is set to discuss the process to elect its new chief soon. England and Wales Cricket Board ECB chief Colin Grave is favoured to fill the post. Cameron served as Cricket West Indies president from 2013 to 2019.